Now, in this video, we will going to take up one more problem on projections of lines. How to solve this problem by using the SolidEdge software. The problem reads as a line capital PQ measures 80 mm in length. The point capital B is above HP and in front of VP by 20 mm and 30 mm respectively. The distance between the end projectors is 50 mm. The line is inclined to VP by 30 degrees. Draw the projections of the line and specify its true inclination with HP. So to do this type of problem, first we'll go for the SolidEdge screen. This is the default home screen wherein the sheet is set for A2 size. Now I want to reduce the size of this sheet by considering A4. So you right click on sheet 1. Click on sheet setup and go to background sheet and select on this downward combo box. Click on A4, remove show background and say OK. So then you will go into the sheet is shrink, the size is reduced, but the display is still set for A2 only. So to set the display for A4 size sheet, just you say fit. So you will going to get the sheet which is fixed, the sheet is fixed to the display of A4. Once you do that, now I need to write the text. A line capital PQ measures 80 mm in length. So for that, I have to go for text. So click on, select the Times New Roman and you take the font size as 4. 4 is only for typing the problem. Now here, a line capital PQ, a capital A line capital PQ measures 80 mm length, measures 80 mm in length. The point P is above HP. The point capital P is above HP and in front of VP by 20 mm, 20 mm and 30 mm respectively. The distance between the end projectors, the distance between the end projectors is 50 mm. The line is inclined to VP. The line is inclined to VP by 30 degree. By holding the Alt key, by pressing the Alt key, type 0176 and release the Alt key. Forget the degree symbol, 0176. Okay, so you are not getting it. So here we will just type by 30 degrees, full stop. Now draw the projections of the line. Draw the projections of the line, and specify its true inclination with HP. Okay, then right click. So then I will go for a move command, go to sketching, click on move, remove, copy, you select this text box, then click for the point to move from, you want wherever you want you can click and move this to the top left corner of your sheet. Now you have drawn the, so we have typed the text. Now what we need to solve the problem. So to solve the problem, first you go to IntelliSketch, click on endpoint, enable intersection and then horizontal or vertical. Because in line you have endpoint and if the two lines are intersecting you can take intersection. If the one line is there you can take the endpoint. If two lines are also intersecting you can take the endpoint of any one of these lines. So therefore you need to have only the three required relationships. One is the endpoint, other one is the intersection and the last one is horizontal or vertical. Horizontal or vertical should always be switched on. So now we go for line command. Go to the line width, take it 0.05, enter. Then first you draw a horizontal line of length of any length. Take this and then go to text. Here, click here. So I want to take the font as 3. Then you click here. So put the caps lock on, type capital X. So here it is capital Y. Then you take it to the top, write VP. So here you take HP. Then remove the caps lock. Then right click. Then the point P is above HP and in front of VP by 20 mm and 30 mm respectively. So go to offset. Take the distance as 20 mm above HP. So you select this line, right click and take in front of above HP is seen in vertical plane. Vertical plane is above XY line. You take the cursor above XY line and click on the first button of the mouse and then right click to cancel. Since you are already in offset command, so he says 30 mm in front of VP. So you type 30 here and take this XY line, right click and take it down. Then again right click. Now we go for line command, take any vertical line of any length. Then go to trim corner between this line and this and also between this line and this. Now we have fit. Then you come down to zoom window. Now you take it to this point. Now you go for text. So what the text says, here I want P dash, take P dash. Here I want P, take P now. So go to move, you select this and move it outside. Then you take this and keep it inside. Okay, you can keep it inside directly. Okay. Now we go to fit. Then the line is inclined to VP by 30 degrees and true inclination is given, which is true length is given, which is 80 mm. So go to line, take the end point, 80 mm inclined to VP. So that means the image will going to be seen in HP. So now 80 mm inclined at minus 30 degrees. Okay, because clockwise measurement of the angle. Then you have the locus line here. Then you draw a line of any length because I want to extend that locus line because extension requires the boundary. So that is the reason why I have taken this point. Now you just go to select and you delete this line. It's not required. Now what I got Q1 now. So you go to text. So here you type Q1. Okay. Then you type capital Q. Then you have locus of Q by putting the caps lock on. Then here you type capital P and here also you type capital P. After that you remove the cap locks. Then he says the distance between the end projectors is 50 mm. So you go to offset, take the distance as 50. So this distance is seen in both vertical plane and the horizontal plane. So you draw a horizontal line above of any length and go to extend to next. You take this line till here and you take this line till here. Then you remove this line, it's not there. Okay. Now this end projector distance will go to cut the locus of Q in the top view. So therefore you go to line, take the end point of this to end point of this. So you got the top view now. So what is the top view? The top view point is Q now. So you type Q here, small q. Then you know that this is the true length in the horizontal plane. So that means you know this is the top view true length. So to get the front view, for this, I will go to line command. From the end point of this, you draw a vertical projector to the front view. Then go to trim corner between these two now. So what is the point? You have Q1, so this one will be Q1 dash. Q1 dash. Okay. Then this Q1 dash will not lie here. Instead, this Q1 dash, the front view point of Q dash will going to lie here. The front view point of Q1 dash is lying at this point. So this should come and falls on this end projector line. So to do that, go to arc command by center point. Click for the center point of the arc as the end point of this. Click for the start point of the arc as this. So now you take this outside like this. So it will cut the end projector line here. So then go to trim, select this, and also you select this. And go to line, draw a line from end point till here. Then you take it inside. Again you go to line command and draw a vertical line of any length. And go to extend to next, because extend requires the boundary. So I am creating a boundary and then I am extending the same line here. So you just go to line, select and delete that line. Now you got the locus line in the front view also. Now what is this point? This point will going to be Q dash. Okay. Now once you get this, now I am going to move this point above that line. Now after that, I need to get the true length in the front view. To get the true length in the front view, I should take the top view line, we should make parallel to xy. With here, take the start point of the arc as this, and here, this is the start point of the arc, and you rotate this. So here, get this point. So then go to trim corner between this line and this line. So you got the point here. So which is that point? That point will be Q2. So you take this point and type Q2 here. Then you go to line, draw a line from the end point of this and draw a vertical line and go to trim this line here. Then join between end point of this to end point of this. So here this point will be Q2 dash. And what is that point? So since it is parallel to xy in the top view, so obviously that will going to be the true length in the front view. So this will going to be the locus of Q in front view. Now we have completed the drawing. So what I need to do now? I need to move all these things. Go to move, move it appropriately. Take Q dash. So this will be Q2 dash. This will be Q. So this will be locus of Q. Once you get this, go to split. Split this line till here. Now you split this line till here. So you delete this. So dimensioning should be done only after completing all these things. Otherwise, the dimensions will also be get deleted once you start doing the editing. So now once you got this locus of Q, then come down to this now, this portion. Okay. Now here you go to split this here. Then go to select this line and delete it and go to move this here. Then you take a vertical plane and bring it here, HP, then you take X. Then you go to P dash, then you take P, then you have Q1 dash here. Okay. Then go to fit. Then come down to zoom window, come to the bottom, then go to move. Select P, then capital P, then you have Q2, then you have Q, then you have Q1, then you have locus of Q. And once you get this, now you go to split this line till here and split this line till here. So go to select by holding the shift key, you select between these two and delete it. Now, I need to do the thickness. You just go to this point, go to dashed outline. Now we need to write the front view. So take these two. So make it as 0.5. Then you select between these two. Take these two as 0.35. Then you select this XY line and make it as 0.13. So now all other things will going to be of 0.05 line. So draw the projections of the line and specify true inclination with respect to HP only. So here you come down to this. What is the HP angle we need to find out. So 36.83. Whether you are going to get that or not, we are going to see. So you just click on this. You are going to get it as 36.83. Exactly up to the second decimal point. Now to do the dimensioning. So you go to dimension styles. Click on ISO, MM. Click on modify. Go to general. Make all these dimensions black because I am taking the printout in black and white. Then go to text. So click on Times New Roman and take the font size as 3. Then come down to lines and coordinates. Take the distance as 0.1 and say OK and say apply now. Then you go to distance between, select this line and this line. So here I want the display of the text. So you take 20, automatically you are going to get. Again, distance between these two, 30, enter. Now you take between this line and this, you are going to get it as 80. Then go to angle between this line and this line, you are going to get 30. Then I don't want the display there. So for that I will go for blank, select between these two, so we get this point. Now I need to write theta, phi here, theta. So to do that, go to text, come down to symbol. So here you type small letter q, theta. Then go to move this and keep it here. Okay. Now I want to type the 36.83. So you go to text, you type 36.83 by holding the Alt key, type 0176 and remove the Alt key. Now you got the symbol, then go to move, select this and place it wherever you want. Then go to enable copy, take theta and keep it here. Okay, then go to line, draw a line from here to here, then from here to here. Then go to trim corner between these two. So then go to copy, move, enable copy, you select this. Now what is the displacement in y direction is 0. So we take this point here. Then go to text and come down to Times New Roman. And here you type answer, caps lock on, answer. Then go to move, disable copy, select this and keep it here. So now once you do that, now we need to go for directions of projections. So here select on point on element, remove endpoint and intersection. So go to leader. So first I need to project this from here to here, then then you project this here. Okay, then similarly you project from here and then you project this to the top. So how do I know that my problem is right? You can see that both q dash and q will going to lie on the same line. And the other thing is here this is the true length in the top view because its front view line p dash q1 dash is parallel to xy. And you know this is the true length in the front view, that is p dash q2 dash, because its corresponding top view pq2 is parallel to xy. You know this is the front view, that is p dash q dash, because the top view line pq is inclined. You know this is the top view because the front view line p dash q dash is inclined. So this is how you will be able to analyze and be able to complete your drawing by using the SolidWorks software. The accuracy of the drawing what you get in this is up to the second decimal point. So this is how you will be able to draw the drawing without looking into the sketch. And this is very, very important, and you have to start working on this. Only by looking at your problem you should be able to solve it without doing it on the sketchbook. Thank you.